life is good. Monday again, the sun comes out. That's not an Airedale issue. Yeah, that is, but not the thing on top of it. We've just got all post nicks on that one. And posts, and tools, and Baggy's just going to move that there. I'm just going to get forks out. I'm just going to lift that pack on there, ready to go. I'm only working locally today, Baildon, so got a million miles from us, so I'll get these panels loaded on and then next time we see you, we should be at Baildon. So yeah, I've just landed at Baildon. That first one here, basically there's two parts doing. He's down bottom of that field along there. But there's actually a gate, we're putting some new gates in, but there's actually a gate there. I'm just waiting, see if the site guy's here, and then I'll be able to get a lock for down there, I think. But the other bit actually over there, which we're not doing at the minute because it all needs flailing down and it's grown, and there's probably nesting birds in there, so we'll probably come back to that later in here. But yeah, I'll see if that bottom gate opens. If not, we can hopefully drive on this field, but obviously it's been raining over the weekend, so we'll see. I've just spoke to Ben, he's literally around the corner. Baggy shouldn't be far behind him.
In Baildon this morning, just fitting some Vmesh rundown where Jacob's trimming, and we're fitting a double leaf gate here, leaving existing ones in, we're dropping double leafs back a little bit, so there's a little bit more room for them to park while they're accessing and that. And then yeah, just a Vmesh run downside of these bushes, and then we're going to join on a bit further down. Not a bad job for a Monday. Weather's holding up so far. I'm not going to hold my breath though, because it looks a bit dark over there at the minute, but we'll see how far we get on before it starts bouncing it down. But yeah, once we've got a few in, I'll give you an update.
That's us all finished over in sunny Baildon. Just returned it back to there, to perimeter. We have got all the wall just tied on. Just got that little escape route there. Kept it as tight as I could get it. Back to Bristol tomorrow. Change his bin store. But no, it's been a good day. See you tomorrow.
So I'm just at my first appointment, which is here behind me. It's very weird how these work out. I'm right next to Bradford City ground here actually. Just on private land, by the way. Wondering why I'm driving, I'm just coming out. It's strange, like I say, what happened. I already did an appointment for the school, which is right next door to Bradford City, in 20 minutes. Basically, then this guy rung me up behind here, wanting a gate at his factory here behind me, and I thought, heck, I'm going there tomorrow. So yeah, as it was, literally next door, so I'm going to be early now for my appointments. Obviously I try and allow about half an hour in between. My next appointment, there, obviously Bradford City stands just there, let me see it. The school is literally there. Yeah, so I'm back renewing this. It's 2.4 Vmesh in twin mesh in black. It's about 30 metres. Because it's just getting damaged all the time with kids. Good morning. Yeah, just me and Ginger Prince here. Lads set off a bit ago, going back over to Bristol where we were last week. Basically, I think I'd done an earlier video last week, but basically we've done the little bin store, and the schools, it was originally only designed for 2 bins apparently, but now the school, in the wisdom, once it's all finished, have decided that they need to get 4 bins in, which we actually commented at the time. It didn't look big enough, but so we've got a digger's gate post out and extend it a bit. which is not a massive job, it's just a bit of a pain basically, but a bit of an, an extra alteration for us. Matt should be over there, he's doing the handover today I believe of the automated gate and run it through how it works and everything with the clients. So we're going to do that with him and do some force testing and whatever. So yeah, we'll see you when we get over there. First gate forced out is there. We're just going to move it this way slightly. What do you say, putting it there, Baggy?
Yeah, that all in front of that
It's
there.
only coming like 120, 150 mil this way. Just so we can get 4 of them in. And then we're going to dig this one out there. And then we're just making a slight modification to this and putting a bit of chain on. So the gate can't open too far. So at the minute, it opens a bit too far like that, look. So we're just making a slight modification, putting a bit of chain up there so it can't open too far. That'll be fine. So yeah, we're just going to we'll have this done in about an hour. Start a force test gate and stuff. Yeah, I think it were an old one anyway, that mate. Yeah, it were an old one. So yeah, we're more or less done here. The opening. Small little gate, but turned out better than we thought right this time. We've got to do it to close. Oh, it's doing it. Doing, isn't it? Perfect that. Those cranks, just doing a handover. We've done this modification. We just put that on there to stop it opening too far. Life is good. Box stoppers, more or less. Ben's just started digging that post down there. So they can
I thought you just twigging each pan it the other way around.
4 bins in here, that's all. Another one boxed off for the Airedale thing. We're just at Autumn Grange. We've actually quoted some bits here before, but basically we've got power coming out of here to this single gate here. They want to take this gate out and basically we'll have to dig across there, and then we want to put it there. So we could hopefully reuse all the stuff, but obviously we'll have to dig across there and put a new duct in. I would have thought all your wires and stuff are already coming out of that box thing there. Just on the inside now where you come press thing to get out, so we'll have to move that pole as well over to here. That's opening up on right in it, but well, it could go there, it don't really matter, does it? So yeah, we'll have to move that one over as well. Just got back after couple of surveys, just gonna try and quote them up now. One down at well, it used to be Ford Recycling, he's setting up again now. He's called Velo or something now. Bad job, it'd be really hard digging lights and neat digger and pecker and that, but I think it was about 75 metres of fencing and some swing gates and maybe a sliding gate, but manual. So yeah, decent job that was that one. Then I went from there, I've just been up to Primary where we've done some works before. Basically they've got a single automated gate that they want moving about 10 yards away, just to make a better entrance for kids I think, and then just a couple of panels of 3 metre high fencing to do. While I'm talking, I just wanted to chat on it's like we've got an apprentice which is Carl's nephew, but flipping heck, the hoops you've got to jump through to take an apprentice on these days, and I wonder why nobody bothers. Okay, well, luckily we'll probably get funding for him in that respect, but training, but it's like even training centres, they sort of thing it out so it lasts forever, so they get full funding, and then the stuff you need in place, and it ain't even cheap to have apprentices these days because they're on like a normal man's wage, but the paperwork and all the nonsense you've got to fill in, it's like, think to yourself, is it actually worth it? But anyway, he's on it, so we'll take it from there and we'll see how we get on. Good morning, Friday already. We're just doing a bit of a inspection of a job lads have done last week. Pretty well. We're just gonna walk along, check it, that's all. But yeah, we're on our way to a job. We're up at Baildon that we did. We've got a load more to do actually. Next holiday's up there. It all needs cutting down, it's all like brushed like that. So yeah, we'll just have a quick look and we'll get back to you.
Just at the Britannia House Hotel in Leeds. Just putting up some Vmesh just on perimeter. Just adding to some existing. Keeping uncouth characters out, but yeah, not too bad. They only wanted it starting from here, so as you can see we've just overlapped it into that bush a little bit, just keeps it a little bit more secure. Not been a bad run, to be fair. We've gone down to here and it's just added on to existing Vmesh that were already there. Happy with how it turned out, nice and neat. Woman's been out, she's more than happy with it, so we've just got a quick repair to do a bit further up, so we're just going to change them panels up there and then we'll be done for the day. Wonderful. Back at a job in a primary school in Halifax. Bit of a weird one actually. They're wanting a fence running alongside of this patio. It does look pointless because it's obviously got a fence, but before there was a wooden fence that ran along here and it was actually a bit of a drop. You can kind of see it here where we just left a bit of a gap, but it was a bit of a drop, but it's just like mulch underneath, so there wasn't even nowhere solid to actually put us posts in. So the idea is we're backfilling with this hardcore, as you can see, and then we've left these sections with these pipes, and that's where his posts are going to go. So once it's all hardcored in and it's solid, then basically we'll run his posts into them with a load of post mixing, and they should be good and solid. Plenty of hardcore going in, then we're going to have to whack it down, maybe put a top layer on or something a bit nicer looking. But if you're wondering why we've left this section, obviously because it would have been too easy if there wasn't, but there's a bee's nest under here, so as soon as you go anywhere near it, all bees come out, and obviously as you can imagine they're not right chuffed about it. So teachers have had to ring pest control, or they've got someone coming out to have a look. That's to be continued that, but because we haven't got all day, we've carried on, moved on a bit further on, so we're just going to finish off this. It should be done soon, but we are running out of hardcore because we slightly underestimated how much we're going to need. We're back on Monday anyway, so if we need to bring some more, shouldn't be too much of an issue.
Afternoon, it's after dinner, busy morning. Me and Carl have been out most of the morning. Went to Baildon and just checked on the job lads done. You've probably seen that in a clip. We just dropped a couple of panels actually because some at gaps. I understand why lads done it. It's sort of gone over a little lump and sort of kept them straight, but head we're worried about gap might be a bit big, but we're only 100 mil, we know. Anyway, we just dropped a couple of panels, so it looks a lot better now, I must admit. It only took us 10 minutes. So we've done that. Then went to Harrogate. Beautiful house that we went to see there. She's got a bit of a problem. Next door's house to us been derelict for ages, she said, and she's just worried about security, so she just wants a bit of Vmesh down one side. It was only a small job, 15 metres, so I'm going to quarter that in a minute. And then from there we've been to see somebody potentially who can sort of take a bit of our gate automation access control stuff work on for us. We're looking to partner up with somebody really. Good meeting, just been to his place there. It was nice to meet him in person. We spoke on phone a couple of times, but nice to meet him, isn't it? So yeah, so they're all positive. So we've just got back now. I'm just gonna get on with quotes and stuff like that. Just had a notification for a job that I quoted a while ago at another school in Harrogate again, strangely enough. I think that's coming, so that's a big one. So that'll be pretty much all school holidays booked up for us now. And then speaking of schools, it's like some of our works we've done lately for the trust. About 5 jobs outstanding over the last few weeks, month or whatever. And basically the biggest one we did, which is just shy of 10 grand, got missed off payment, and they've paid 2 little ones today. They've put it down for payment, we'll get it sort of Monday or Tuesday in bank account. So I replied back this morning, oh, thanks for payment of these 2 little ones. Where's the actual big one that were before that? Oh yeah, really sorry, that's been missed off somehow. We'll make sure it's on next week's. And it's like, flipping heck, you know what I mean? By times that happens, and it's just, that's schools for you. But anyway, try not to moan, it is a Friday. I'm just going to get into office now, get my head down. Carl's just nipped off some dinner at Co-op, I think he said he was. He's going to get some sugar and then we'll have a brew when he gets back. I'll get on with my admin. I can just see as I were on this, lads have just sent a video, so I presume that's hopefully they're finished what they had to go to do today. Filling a bit of a void up with a load of ballast so we can put us fencing posts in next week in some tubes that we've done. So yeah, I'm going to call it here. If you like what we do, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below and we'll see you next time. Thank you.